Hi everyone, welcome to Embellishments on the 11th. Well, I wasn't going to do this way this month. I had something else in mind, but I was digging through my winter iris box of paper pads and stuff, and I have had this. Actually, it's a 2016 collection, and I have used the 6x6 before. I never used this, and I still haven't. And there's some stickers with it. So I pulled this out, and there were some scraps in there. So what you see is me using up the scraps and adding some things to it. These were the first two I did, and I used this glaze pen by Sakura. Some people I think call them jelly roll pens, but they add a glaze shine to whatever you put it on. So the words that were on here, you melt my, and the heart. So I wrote over them kind of faintly. I might have to do the you and melt again. And I used that for that. And then I used the Stampin' Up! One of the two punches in the Heart Punch Duo. I don't know if that's still available. Anyway, I used red glitter paper, and these two were both, this had been a cut apart that was in there, and this was a scrap. And so I glued the heart down part way. I got some glue on there, but it's dried now. And I went over the snowman with Winka Stella, which you're not going to be able to see. Just put a little piece of red ribbon in, ruffled red ribbon, and I think I had 3 little white heart gems. Those are Stampin' Up! Also, but I think one fell off. I thought I saw something fall, but I don't know where it went. Somewhere under my desk. So I might have to put another one of those on too. So then the second one, same thing, except I brought in these glitter cutout snowflakes. It says silver, but they're not really silvery. They're more white. Those were from Tuesday Morning, and apparently 2019. Must have been soon before it closed, or right around when my Tuesday Morning closed. This was a cut apart. I again used the glaze pen for the heart. I think that's the last time I used it. Put some of the stickers from the collection in, Frozen Fingers and Eskimo Kisses. And I just put the ruffled ribbon across the back piece, and then layered the heart, the snowflake, and this. And I intentionally put them, those two, at an angle. This one more so than this. And then this one, this was a scrap. This was a cut apart. I went around the edges of this with Stampin' Up! Dye base marker in Tahitian Tide, which is like a turquoise. This is Tahitian Tide cardstock. I just felt like it was too flimsy for some reason. These are 2 more of those snowflakes. This is a sticker that says Ice Ice Baby to go with the ice skates. And then this, this is bumped up on dimensionals, but I used this 1.5-inch scalloped circle from EK Success with, I have some scraps of oh gosh, glitter paper. It was like rainbow glitter paper with, I used the cool colors blue and green, and I put that behind the snowflakes to make them show a little better. And then these gems are actually I think Dollar Tree. One sec. I don't know if that's Dollar Tree or I don't know, Horizon Group. I'm really not sure where I got these. Whoever sells Horizon Group, but they're all in a string, like Dollar Tree sells those ones all in a string. So I put 3 on there. The gummy on them, I must have had these for quite a while because the gummy on them is not very gummy. So I put them down with a glue dot, and I have a piece of the original glue because they're like in a string sticking out here, which I'll fix. Okay, and then this is all bumped up on the dimensional over the top of these. So those were the first 3. This one I'm not going to pick up. It's just 2 pieces, a cut apart and a scrap. I'm not going to pick it up because I didn't use stickles. I used this Studio G glitter glue and it's still wet. Just felt like I needed something else. These were scraps. It was a longer scrap. I cut it in half and just flagged it. And then I made a bunch of banners. Cut apart scrap and just made a larger banner. Cut apart, oops, let's see, I wasn't supposed to touch that. This has that glitter glue where in the center of the snowflakes all over the front. Kind of has the measles. I can pick it up from here. I don't know if you can see that. And I wasn't really going to put this trim on here. This is Joann's Deals on Reels. I don't even know if they have that anymore. This is very old. But when I went around the edge of that piece with terracotta tile, retired color by Stampin' Up, because I thought it matched this color really well. And when I did that, this little corner had a little slip up, so I thought, oh, well, I'll just cover it up with some trim, and then I couldn't find a trim that I liked, except that one I thought went okay. Here were some skinny little scraps. Actually, I think this piece I cut in half or something and used it on both. Or maybe it was this piece, and this is the back of that. Let me see. I don't know. I can't remember. This was a sticker on top of scrap. This piece was actually longer, but I cut this 1.5 inch scallop circle out of that paper after I cut this down. And this also was a sticker. It said Snow Day. Just put the stickly stuff, the glitter glue, around the edge, and it looks like I might have missed right here where it stopped. It doesn't seem glittery there. There we go. Just around the square. Put one of those snowflakes on the back. I didn't like the snowflake on the back of this, which is what started the whole glitter glue thing, because I felt like it just needed something to make it look more snowy. And again, these gems are from that, I'm going to say Dollar Tree pack. I am really not sure. So that's it. I have, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 8 embellishments for you this month. And I had fun making them. Just use your scraps, folks. Pull out those strips you don't know what to do with, or smaller bits, and make banners or cutouts that you can use some other time. Pull out little bits of ribbon you might have, or twine, and that would be cute actually, with a ribbon, a twine, white twine bow on here, maybe right here. So I might even add that. So yeah, that's what I have for this month, just using some scraps, and kind of actually not really loving this paper anymore because it's kind of muted in colors, and I seem to be wanting to go for the bright colors more now. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's a dreary day today, raining and such. All right, everyone, please go check out the other collab participants. I will have them all linked down below. And I hope you show them some crafty love as well. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. And at some point I'll probably be doing a giveaway, but maybe for the new year. That would be a good time. Or my birthday, which is soon after the new year. We'll see. All right, take care everyone. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.